We're gonna make chocolate cupcakes with peanut butter frosting. This is a classic combination of flavors. And we're gonna decorate them with a chocolate web so that it's extra spooky. Let me show you how to make these. They're really easy. We don't need any special equipment.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We're gonna start with flour. I've got unsweetened cocoa powder here. This is what's gonna make the base of the cupcake chocolate throughout. We got sugar, and I got some brown sugar. Mix this together. All right, we're gonna come in with baking soda and baking powder and salt. We're gonna mix that together so that all our dry ingredients are nice and even. Here comes the wet ingredients. Let's start with the eggs. Put some vanilla extract in there. Here we go, we've got oil and we've got buttermilk. Let's crack these yolks. No fancy stand mixer required. You're welcome. I think we're good. Got a muffin tin here with some liners. I'm gonna take a ½ cup measure and I'm gonna fill each one of these up. These are gonna rise, so you do wanna leave a little distance at the top. These are ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna bake them until a toothpick goes in and comes out nice and clean. While my cupcakes are in the oven, I'm gonna work on my frosting. So room temp butter is going in. You can see how soft that is. We're gonna put in peanut butter now. We're gonna come in with a little bit of vanilla and a whole bunch of powdered sugar. If you have an electric mixer, use it. But in lieu of a mixer, I'm mashing everything up with a spatula and then I'm gonna hit it with a whisk. It's starting to happen. Let's see what we can do here with the whisk. The Human Stand Mixer 8500 Gold Edition. It should be super smooth and light and fluffy. That is super smooth. So the frosting's ready, but we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna make some festive chocolate spiderwebs. Well, we just need some water on a stove. The steam will evenly heat the bottom of this heat-proof bowl, very important, and that'll melt the chocolate in a beautiful way. Got some bubbles breaking on our water here. Bowl goes on top, and now we wait. Knock, knock, who's there? Frank. Frank who? Frankenstein. The chocolate has melted. Let's make some chocolate spiderwebs. To do that, we're gonna need a piping bag. All you need is a scissor and a zippy bag. We'll stand it up, something like that right there. Okay, I'm gonna pour the chocolate right in. We're gonna cut off just the tip. All right, I'm gonna try to make some spiderwebs. Let's see how artistic I is. 1, 2. They don't have to be perfect. They're all gonna be different. Every spiderweb is unique. I'm getting better. I am an artist. Bada boom. So I'm gonna stick these in the fridge, let them harden up a little bit, and then we'll top our cupcakes with them. Cupcakes have cooled, our icing is ready to top, and our spiderwebs have solidified. Let's put them together. I will grab some of our peanut butter icing and I will place it on top, and then I will just try to work it around, do it like that. And I don't wanna go too far to the edges because I do wanna see that chocolate ring there. I think it's visually appealing. So now we'll just work swiftly and deliberately through all of them. Very nice. These are looking great. Let's put these webs on. I'm trying to work really quickly so the warmth of my finger does not melt these webs. This is a great little touch to make these feel festive for Halloween. These are looking really great. I'm liking the color scheme. I'm liking the way they look. And I love this chocolate web thing happening on top. Very cool. These are 86 cents a serving. Let's take a bite. It wasn't until I was 7 years old that I found out that this is actually not edible. It tastes creamy and peanut buttery, and then that warmth fades away, and you're hit with the perfectly sweet and bitter chocolate flavor right after. It's a 1-2 punch. These little webs are sure to catch some hungry goblins at your party, and it'll keep them coming back for more.